Is Google Ads worth it? Now, I get asked this time and time again, so I thought I'll bundle it into one short video which you can watch. Before I do continue, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads specialist. I've been running Google Ads for the best part of 20 years now, so I know exactly what Google Ads is and how it works. Now, in Google Ads, is it worth it? Well, the short answer is it really depends on what your definition is of is it worth it. Now, to me, there are so many advantages about running a Google Ads campaign. Now, especially when you compare to other channels, like for example, search engine optimization, which could take you months, if not years, to get listed onto the first page of Google. Do you really want to wait that long to get your business listed at the top of the Google page? Now, I'm not saying Google Ads is a replacement for it, but hey, SEO is a long-term strategy. With Google Ads, it's almost instant. In other words, your listings can appear, your business can appear at the top of the Google page typically within 24 hours, and no other channel will allow you to do that. Now, one of the advantages about Google Ads is very quick to set up. You can set up a Google Ads campaign within hours and get it up and running within 24 hours. It's free to set up. So all you've got to do is specify, how much do you really want to spend every single day on your Google Ads campaign. Now that's another point. With Google Ads, you've got total control of your budget. So you don't need to say, hey, I'm committed to a certain period of time. You can say my daily budget is whatever, whether it's £10 a day, £20 a day, £100 a day, whatever it is. And speaking of budgets, you can stop and start your campaigns at any point in time. And that makes Google Ads really worth it. Now, one thing I commonly say is that why don't you go onto the Google page and try to search for the products and services that you are currently providing. And if your business is not listed at the top of the Google page, those businesses that you do see, in other words, the top 4 slots, are the people that are potentially stealing away your business. So they're the people who are winning the customers that you want to win. And the only way to overcome that is make sure that you're listed at the top of the Google page. And the only way you can do that is by using Google Ads, because with Google Ads, you can have 4 listings at the top of the page and 3 listings at the bottom of the page. So if you're, for example, a chiropractor in London, you can market the word chiropractor in London. So when somebody types it in, your ad will appear at the top of the Google page. Only if somebody types it in, reads what they like, clicks on your ad, or even calls you, at that point in time you pay Google a certain amount of pounds or pence in order to get that potential customer to either call you or end up on your website. Now, the other advantage about Google Ads is that you're not just targeting your local customers, you are targeting the whole world or the whole country, or even you can specify, you've got total control of where your audience is. Now, for example, I live in the UK and my service I can offer to anyone in the world. So I can potentially advertise my business using Google to either the whole of the world or just the country. Or if I want to, I can say, hey, I only want my ads to be shown in London, for example, or a 20-mile radius of where I live, or a 10-mile radius, or a 10-kilometer radius. So I've got total control of the geographical reach that I want my ads to appear in. Now, the other main advantage about Google Ads is that you control the keywords that will get your potential visitors onto your website. So, for example, like the example I used, that you can tell Google, hey, only if someone types in chiropractor in London, I want my ad to appear on Google. So if they type in, for example, chiropractor training, I don't want to pay anyone. I don't want my ads to appear on Google for chiropractor training. So you got total control of the ads that appear on Google. Now, another advantage is you can do very quick experiments. So if you've got a new service or a new product and you just want to see how it goes on Google, hey, why not launch a campaign? Let it run for 2 weeks. Let it run for 3 weeks. Let's see how it goes. And if it does go well, hey, you can invest more into it, or you can stop it. Or if it does run well, you can even say, hey, it's worked great on Google Ads, so why not implement these keywords into our SEO strategy, so we're also getting organic keywords into it. So there are huge advantages of using Google Ads. Now, another great advantage about Google Ads is that if you find that your business works best when people phone you as opposed to emailing you or filling in a contact form, you can tell Google that. You can say, hey, I want to advertise my business on Google, but I don't want people to email me. I don't want people to fill in a form. I want them to call me, and I want them to call me directly from the Google page. Just imagine what that will do to your business. So your business is listed at the top of the Google page. Somebody comes on their mobile, searches for your potential business, sees a button there saying call now. And the only option they've got is to press that button and it will call you, right? And you know that what your conversion rate is if somebody calls your business as opposed to emailing you. For a lot of my customers, especially the emergency type of businesses, it works phenomenally well. So the short answer is Google Ads worth it? 100%. Implement a short-term strategy, see how it goes, make sure it's set up properly. Look at my other videos, for example, how to set up conversion tracking to make sure that not only is your campaign working, but you can also measure the success of your Google Ads campaigns in terms of how many visitors we've had on the website and how many of them have called or how many of them have telephoned you and so on. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and let me know what your experience about Google Ads is, right? So that, it'd be great to hear what your opinion is. Has it worked for you? Has it not worked for you? Or what type of products or services work best for you? And at the same time, there'll be a link in the description. Remember to download my Google Ads ebook. It's packed of ideas of how to create a successful Google Ads campaign right from day one. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.